TV Stick 4K.
So if you want to see that, keep on watching.
Yeah.
So this is the packaging. Very simple, but I like it. So it has different apps on it, like Netflix, NBC, Sling, Showtime, YouTube, Hulu, ESPN, and Prime Video. It has many more things than that. But we actually got this like a month ago so that we could test it out to give you a review. So let's just pretend like we're opening it for the first time. Wow! Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh my gosh! This is the remote! Wow!
Oh my god!
We've seen it. We know what it looks like. We use it almost every day. But here's the remote. Basically, there are just a lot less buttons and a lot less things that you need to like handle on this remote. As if our old remote literally has 50 buttons and I don't know what 40 of them do. So,
who wants to see it?
but this only has an on-off button, Alexa, up, down, right to left, okay, back, redo, home button, the 3 lines, fast forward, replay, pause, up volume, down volume, and mute buttons. So it's really only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 buttons instead of 50. So good at math.
You want to see our old remote?
No, they do not need to see our old remote. But big, no, Buster, you're staying here.
Haha, I managed to sneak in a photo of our old remote. Haha, Ava, take that. A picture of what it looks like on Amazon, and also there's going to be a link in the below. So
in the description box below. Oh my gosh. What has quarantine done to us? We're forgetting words. But, so basically this is a remote. By the way, yes, it does need batteries. Like every other remote.
He's like, hey guys, hi.
He's like, hey guys, I need batteries, feed me.
Yes.
But all you need to do is take the cable that comes in it and plug it to the back of your
He's a
TV,
hungry
and
sister.
then bam, he works. But yes, you have to put in, these are AAA batteries.
He's a very hungry sister.
AAA. Basically, this is just the remote. This is like here. If you heard that was our TV turning on. This basically turned our 7-year-old TV into like a smart TV, and it is
some SpongeBob.
perfect. No, they don't.
Okay.
Hey Alexa, turn off the TV.
Okay.
She just turned off the TV.
Great.
Great, our TV's turned off. That's great. As you can see, it works, but you can't really see it, but we can see it. It's turned off.
Yes, it is.
It is turned off. But that is the remote. Let's just take it and put it back in its packaging where she belongs. Bam. Put angel wings on me.
You know, it's so fun to look at a black screen, you know?
So fun. There's nothing on the television.
Exactly, that's why it's a black screen.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, you might struggle with getting it in there, like me. But that was the remote. We really do love this remote. It is really easy to use, and it's not like outrageously expensive. Like if you saw in our last product review video, a 12-pack of Sharpies is more expensive than this remote. So just consider that. Do you want Sharpies or a remote? A remote.
What if you're not going to call it?
I don't know. You want the remote, right? You want it, right? But if you want to get notified when we post a video, just click subscribe
And hit that little bell notification to be part of our
HurriKids family. I love you guys so much.